Time to try and prevent COVID-related school closures and quarantines. The Portland Public School Board now moving toward a vaccine requirement for eligible students. Certainly a big topic at the school board meeting just last night. Our Lisa Balick joins us live now from Southeast Portland with much more on this hot topic. Lisa.
Yeah, the board is definitely taking steps in that direction, taking a look at other cities that have done it, like Los Angeles, San Diego, other cities around the country, and they are taking steps in that direction, trying to decide who should go first. Portland School Board members starting down the path to requiring a COVID shot for eligible students, hearing from medical experts, including pediatric ER doctors from Washington, D.C.
Well, there was a debate earlier on in the pandemic whether or not kids could spread this virus. We now know that they can. And I personally have seen that for the hundreds of kids that have come into my emergency department and are positive for COVID-19.
While PPS staff is recommending the board approve the students 12 and up requirement, it may be phased in, like what's happening in some schools around the country.
Is it reasonable to adopt an incremental approach, perhaps that looks at extracurricular, then 12 and up, and then maybe with approval, perhaps younger students?
There would likely be medical and religious exemptions allowed. Some board members, but not all, say they support a mandate, looking to lower the risk of COVID cases and possible exposure that's been forcing hundreds of kids to quarantine. There is some resistance, though, questions about whether increased vaccination rates are coming from bullying.
Has there been any discussion or looking into the numbers that we're seeing going up because people are feeling forced or bullied, because employers are saying you're not going to be able to come to work, schools are saying you can't come to schools or you can't play in sports?
People are seeing more people get sick, more people hospitalized, and unfortunately more people die. So I think it's become very real for folks that have sought vaccine at our clinics.
But even vaccine supporters say the board needs to take a cautious approach to make sure no one is left out.
One of the steps is what are the barriers? So if you're going to say there's a requirement, the district also is looking at what are the ways in which the school district can eliminate barriers to students actually being able to access the vaccine.
Now, certainly a hot topic. They're expecting a lot of response from the community. You can email or call a school board member, but keep in mind there will be public forums to discuss it. There will also be public hearings before the board makes any final decision. We don't know exactly when that would be, though. They could start talking about it again next week. Live in Southeast Portland, Lisa Balick, KOIN 6 News.